Mr. Mnuko says to me that you are saying that when a photo gets taken through what you have referred to as a selfie, the position or the size of the photos gets to be juxtaposed vis-a-vis a photo that gets taken in a direct manner. That is like as when a photographer shoots at you. In other words, then the sides get juxtaposed. So what is on the left on the selfie will appear on the right, and what is on the right on the selfie will appear what is on the left. That's what you said.
Yes, true.
Okushilo-ke ukuthi uma umuntu ethatha iselfie izinto ziyashintsha-ke azibi ngendlela-ke eziba ngayo uma kuwukuthi isithombe sithathwa-ke ngendlela ejwayelekile. Yebo.
Yeah, he requested me to, because he says he's hearing that for the first time. You see, he requested that for the benefit of the court, he doesn't mind that we embark on that process. As you had indicated that you want to show it, he says he does not mind.
Uthi-ke nanje ngoba kushilo-ke wena ukuthi-ke ungakwenza lokhu ukutshengisa inkantolo akana uthi-ke ungakuhleke ukuthi ukwenze lokho.
Yeah. I don't know how did you want to do it, but I firstly needed to confirm that with him. Yes.
I can do it with my phone.
Ngingakwenza-ke ngumakhalekhukhwini wami.
I've got my phone as well here.
Not that one.
Oh, this one does not do it.
Yeah, we have been told, remember, by that phone, by Mr. Who's the previous witness?
Ndlovu.
Yeah, Ndlovu said it doesn't do what he,
Oh,
the
okay.
phones normally do, because it's not an e-phone.
Smartphone.
Yes, madam. Oh, yours is a smartphone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, well, yeah. Let us do that demonstration with the leave of court, of course, with the leave of court.
Yes, you can proceed, sir.
Oh, must I shoot? Myself.
Is that a smartphone? Well, I don't know. I don't know if
It is.
it is a smartphone.
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank you. I don't know if we can have a volunteer. Warrant Officer Mabas, the first photo that you took, it was what you referred to as a selfie, not so?
That's correct.
Now, the one that follows must be a photo that gets taken by somebody as you're standing there, not so, which is not a selfie.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah.
Someone can come.
Pela, we need to be shown that the photo that you have taken earlier on is
Yes.
deleted, then it's taking the new photo altogether. I say it is one.
Come to us.
Yes. Sorry. The other time when Mr. Jonas was taking that photo, I think he was raising his right hand, so.
No,
yeah,
it
he had
don't-
done
He then stopped me. He said,
It won't appear. It's just to activate the camera to take a picture.
What?
It's how we take. As you raise your hand, you are saying, "Get ready. I'm ready." And then, as you put down.
Or when the
then-
photo was
Yes.
taken, his hand was on the desk.
It's
there.
like he was pressing. He was taking a picture. Like when you do like this, you are telling the phone, "Take the picture." And then when you put back, the arm is already done.
Ah, uyabona ngiyaxakeka.
You
How do you tell the
activated.
phone take a picture? That is the picture not taken by you.
Can you please let the witness demonstrate? Because
Okay.
he says the movement of the arm.
Can you? You time it.
Wow.
And then you, like mine, I used a hand. Once you raise a hand, it will count 1, 2, 3, and then take a picture.
Wow, right, I see.
You understand? now?
Yeah.
"That's a smartphone."
Thank you. So we've got two pictures that have been taken from one picture from what is taken from what is known as a selfie. The other picture is just a normal taking of a picture, not so photo.
Can I ask the doctor to send me something? I don't have his number on my WhatsApp. No, it's fine. I'll send it.
Mr. Ramsipil is talking about a Bluetooth. Now we've got a golden tooth. Now we've got a Bluetooth.
Okay. All right, I got it.
So we've got a Bluetooth there.
No, not the Bluetooth. I'll send it to the
Okay.
to doctor there. Let me see.
Who is this guy? Actually, you said there was no Wi-Fi here. Even now, it's still not there.
Yes, but he can use his own.
Which one?
The doctor can use his own.
Because the data of the court doesn't work.
Yes.
I'm told that there's no Wi-Fi in this court. So if you use your own data, fine, it will work. Otherwise, there's no Wi-Fi. Hello? Does it make a difference? Warrant officer?
It won't make a difference.
It won't make a difference. Okay, fine.
Just going to see his camera.
Okay.
May I approach accused, madam?
What do you want to explain, sir?
I just want to ask the person who was taking the picture if she took two pictures. But I see there's two pictures.
Yeah, where's the lady?
Yeah. I might have sent one picture taken by to you. Yeah, that's one. No. No, it's fine. There are two. I sent it the same picture to.
So are you going to put them next to each other, those two, the pictures?
Advocate Sibanda, my lord, is informing me that we need to be a bit patient because apparently the system is still running its course. As it please the court, my lord. It seems as though the system is a bit slow. I'm not so sure whether we can proceed to another aspect and then we'll come to this one, but we're not, yes, because I don't think that's going to work because the next item that I'm going to get to will also involve the system. You see, so it takes us back to square one.
Sorry, how long does this demonstration take?
No, as long it can appear there, it won't take it.
What do you mean as long? You can't quantify the time.
No, I can't. Depending on the person who's busy transferring that.
Oh, the person who transfers.
Yes, so that we can see it.
I hear you.
He already got it.
Oh, you have it, doctor?
Yeah, he got it by him.
He received the photos on my cell phone.
On your cell phone?
He's have to transfer them now on the laptop.
But wait. Are they two on the cell phone? Like the experiment is supposed to be?
3 photos.
Yeah, fine, 3 photos. just show them to the witness so that he can tell us, even if they are not yet transferred to the screen, that in your cell phone, they demonstrate allegedly what he says happens. Then we can show each and every member of the defense and the prosecution and myself that that experiment actually works.
The first picture
Yeah,
that we took from the front camera,
yeah.
it really shows us standing the other way around.
Esoqala isithombe ke lesi besithathiwe sona si-selfie ke asisivezi ke ngale ndlela esimi ngayo manje ke.
Not, yeah, fine, not the way you are standing.
Yes.
It's the other way.
Yes.
Okay, show it to the defense and then show it to everybody so that we can all be at idem. Is that the correct position, Mr. Baloi? Hello? Is that the same position as he describes it?
Let me answer the question, or maybe Mr. Bado, you can.
No, you have a look at it and tell us what you see.
My Lord, what I see in this photo is the following. As I am looking at both gentlemen, with me standing here looking at them,
Yeah.
Mr. Jonas is on my right-hand side. And Warrant Officer Sibasa, Mabasa, is on my left-hand side. Also on the photo, as I'm looking at it now, in the phone, Mr. Mabasa is on my left-hand hand. Mr. Jonas is on my right-hand hand.
There's no change there. That's what Mr. Mnisi is saying. You know what? Wait. Just get out of the box
Yes.
and demonstrate personally to each and every person. Because he says nothing has happened. That's what Mr. Mnisi says. Hello?
Okay, no, let him say.
Yeah, give the phone so that he can demonstrate it to
Mr.
you.
Mabasa.
Give it to.
Nothing is changed.
She says, hey. Hello? You're showing it to Mr. Jonas.
In this photo, I am on the right.
What do you see? Wait. What do you see on that photo?
I am on the right, he is on my left.
That's it. Wait there. Show it to Mr. Sibanda. Yes. Mr. Jonas is which side? Hey. I should really continue.
My lord, on the picture that
Hello?
picture that is on my phone now,
Yeah.
Mr. Jonas is on the right, my right,
Yeah.
and then Mr. Mabas is on his left.
Right. Give it to Mr. Baloi. Because this is different from what Mr. Mnisi is saying. Tell us what you see, sir. No, you have already told us. Give it to Mr. Ramosipid.
For me, nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. Yeah, wait.
On the picture that I'm viewing at the moment, Mr. Jonas is on the right. The way they were standing, and Mr. Warrant Officer Mabasa will be on the left.
Wait. Just demonstrate how you are standing. Because you are standing on the right and Mr. Jonas was on the left. That's how they are standing. He is on the right. Wait. He is on the right. He's on the right. The witness, warrant officer, is on the right. And Mr. Jonas is on the left. As they are standing. Is that not so? Is that how you are standing? So you're saying it will transmogrify itself into the opposite?
It did on that picture.
I want to listen.
My lord,
As you are looking at them,
if you look at this one it's a direct picture that was taken in front of the two people. Then if you take a selfie, it will change the position.
That's
The
what this witness is saying, but this is not what the people who are looking at what the witness is saying. Say the same thing as you. So you agree with Mabasa,
Andy,
warrant
what
officer?
to say.
Yes, my lord.
You agree with what he's saying?
Yes.
Right. Give it to Mr. Nomalo. Hey, my daughter. What?
As I'm looking at them now, my lord, Sergeant Mabasa is on the left, Mr. Jonas is on the right, right? I'm now looking at on the photo, on the phone. It's in the same position.
And Miss Mchololo, you see what he's saying? He says
You
it's different
understand?
from what you're
Understand?
saying. It can't be the same. Hey,
No, don't move to another position. This one, Advocate
This one is a
Mshado.
direct one. A selfie is this one.
We are working on this one. We are working on this one. So as I'm looking at them now, Sergeant Mabasa is on the left, Mr. Jonas is on the right. When I look on the photo on the phone,
the point of the demonstration is that image-wise, Mr. Jonas will be on the right and the warrant officer will be on the left. Does it show it that way?
no,
No.
no.
Okay. Bring it here, let me see.
So,
How many photos are here?
2 or 3.
Now come and stand here, because I must see. You can stand up here, let's see. Just tell me. Just show me yourselves. Originally, you were standing on this side of Mr.
I was on the right.
On the right, as you are looking at the photo, let's see. You are on the right here. You are on the right here.
On the phone.
Yeah, on the phone.
Of the phone.
Yeah.
But on the left of mine.
May I show them that you're on the right? Go and show, start with the doctor. Go and show the doctor that you're on the right. God. Yes. Hey. Hello, no, stand there. We're going to do the rounds there. Is he on the right there? Doctor, are you standing on the right on that photo? When you're looking at
Yes, I think Mr. Mnisi is referring to his right hand side. The witness is
Yeah.
referring to the right hand side of the image.
So maybe
my lord, I think now that we've seen this photo, whether this photo it's a selfie or a direct photo, I don't know. Let Mr. Mabaso then indicate. Mr. Mabaso, the photo that has been circulated here, is that now a direct photo or a selfie?
It's a, I think it will.
Can we make progress?
It's a, let me say selfie.
A selfie. Let us say direct photo then. It would have been best if we were seeing them there on the screen, the selfie and the direct photo.
And it confuses when you maybe send it to a new one device.
How does it confuse? Because it's just a transfer. How does it confuse?
Maybe it's confusing.
Maybe it's
But
confusing.
it's fine. It's fine.
Let us send it to the screen and then they show them simultaneously side by side. Then we'll be talking about something that we're able to see physically. Because now when you're moving the phone around here, the other one is using a left-hand hand, the other one is using a right-hand hand, then it's twisting them around. So
Can I maybe, if the court wishes, take another picture where a head is up or something, so we can post it?
it won't make a difference. You can do that.
No, no.
Whose hand will be up?
No, I'm taking myself
Yourself with the hand up. And
with my hand.
yeah, fine, okay.
That's a selfie.
And thereafter, what do you do?
Great. No, put your hand there. Put your hand there, yes. Now, what are you doing now there, Warrant Officer Mabaso?
I'm saying
Or you're sending it to Advocate Sibas?
What is that picture? Hello, can you explain what is there?
What's the other photo?
Now that photo, it's what, a selfie or what?
That's a selfie, my lord, yes.
Hello?
It's a selfie.
Has
my
it
lord.
changed position?
When I look at it, like I'm looking at it
Yeah.
from now, it didn't change the direction.
I see.
But when I go and look at it like face it,
Yeah.
it says, I cannot say it's on the right or what. It's like it has changed the position. My hands.
Manje iselfie lena akushintshile kodwa mangahamba ngaphambi kwayo ke zokuthi zokushintshile ke izandla.
Okay.
Are we able to get them shown side by side today? Or are you still saving them?
Yeah, I can see a juxtaposition.
Yes, I did.
I say I can see, it looks like, when you look at it here, it's on, it looks like it's on the left.
No, this is editing.
There's no editing.
Hello?
There's no editing, what you say.
When did you edit it? Because I'm looking at you.
There's no editing, it's like that.
No, hey, let's have progress. Hello?
No.
Let's have progress. Just tell us that demonstration in your own words. What does it show?
That's editing.
Editing. I see.
What is that? Just exactly there. What is that?
Yeah.
What is that?
Mr. Mnisi, what the court sees, it's a juxtaposition of the original position. It was on the left. Now, there is another one which is on the right. If you don't see that, we can argue it later. Fine, let's continue. Now he's being accused of editing the.
No, that is editing. My
Yeah,
lord. It's not an
fine. You can
accusation.
argue that he edited the camera in court.
And my lord,
No,
this
no.
is not.
Let's have progress, please. Otherwise, there won't be problem. Progress.
There won't be progress, my lord, because somebody is fiddling with is fidgeting with the photos.
Who's fiddling with it?
I think the operator.
So that the
operator is
doctor now is
fidgeting
fiddling with the evidence.
Let us take him out, my lord. I think the best thing is to
I
take him
know.
out. Let's go and get somebody neutral.
This gentleman is an officer of the court. Now he's saying,
But he's not an operator, my lord. He's an officer of the court. Yes, his duty is here to prosecute, not to operate these things.
I don't know, man, but the court and Mr. Mnisi will tell me if I'm wrong. Mr. Mnisi is talking about a neutral person. The gentleman from ENCA is making some comments here, my lord. Mr. Mnisi is talking about something neutral, someone neutral. I don't know. I'm just saying. If it's wrong,
no. Everybody can see what this gentleman was saying happens. Hello? The warrant officer. We can all see it. Whether it's manipulated or not, but we can all see it. Okay, let's proceed. Can all see it.
What are we seeing, my lord? Because that needs
What
to go into
the warrant
record.
officer explained happens. Okay, let's go. Let's continue.
Then before we proceed, my lord, where is the photo? This is a selfie. Then where is the other photo that was taken as an original photo, which is not a selfie? Yeah, the one that was taken by the court ordered. This is fidgeting.
Do you have any other further questions, Mr. Mnisi?
I do have questions, my lord.
Yeah,
Plenty of them,
Ask.
but they are going to be based on the same system. Now, my worry is if we are going to rely on Advocate Sibande for him to assist us with this system, I have very serious reservations with what I've just seen now.
Okay, you will bring your own operator then. Fine.
I don't have, my lord. My own, I don't have.
No, you must bring your own.
I don't have.
Your client's own. Like
He doesn't have, he's in custody, my lord.
he was in custody, but he was able to be examined by a dentist. Is that not so?
Yes, but that,
Logically, it follows.
This is something
Logically, it
different.
follows that he can also get somebody to operate that gadget. Let's continue.
As it please the court, my lord, let me take instructions.
God. Hey. One day.
May you please take out that picture which is fidgeted? Mr. Mnisi, my lord, is saying that he's not happy with what he's seeing there, because it is apparent that that is not what this witness said. We are putting this aspect of the evidence in abeyance. We're not done with it. And may I just put it on record, my lord, that if it were to happen that the last photos that have been denoted to us now have been fidgeted, I don't want to talk of consequences. I definitely do not want to talk of consequences, because there's no reason why an officer that is here at court, whoever it is, can interfere with evidence that the court is supposed to be taking a decision on. Thank you. There will definitely be consequences.
angifuni-ke ukukhuluma ngokuthi kuzokwenzekani-ke noma imiphumela yalokho kodwa ke akwazeki ukuthi kwenzeke ukuthi umuntu la enkantolo angakwenza ke lokho.
Thank you, my lord. Now, you said, just a recap before I according to this, information from the memory stick, information that then gets down, like gets printed from the memory stick, it doesn't change, so.
That's correct.
Thank you.
Kwiqiniso ngishilo ukuthi lokho okuyona ke i-memory stick ke makudluliselwa ke akushintshi makukho okushintshayo khona.
Thank you. Now, that information that is that metadata, it also doesn't change, not so.
It won't change.
Nemininingwane leyana ke leya lokho kubizwa ngokuthi ke metadata nako ke akushintshi.
Thank you. Now, do you recall, Sergeant Mabasa, Warrant Officer Mabasa, that in 2023, I think July, just the commencement of this trial, the team of defense, yourself and the state assembled at the office of the DPP, where these photos that were downloaded from Mr. Mnube's memory stick were transferred into memory sticks, and which copies thereof were given to us. Do you still remember?
I do remember.
Usakhumbula ke ngo-2023 sihlangene ke emahhovisi abashushisi thina ukhona nabashushisi abameli kwa iy'thombe lezi zandluliselwa ke kwi-memory stick. Yebo, ngiyakhumbula lokho.
Now, do you agree that the person who downloaded or who transferred that information into the memory sticks that each of the defense counsel has here, that process was done by you, the downloading was done by you?
It was done by me, yes.
Usakhumbula ukuthi umuntu wayekwenza lokho ukuthi edownloada ke iy'thombe lezi kwakuwena? Yebo, kwakuyimina.
Thank you. And against the background, the fact that you are saying the information in that memory stick should just be the same with what was downloaded in the memory in the memory card of accused number 1. I want us to have a look at the following. This is the memory stick that was downloaded, or this is the memory stick that we received from the state in your presence, which contain the photos that were downloaded from Mr. Mnube's memory stick. Thank you.
Yona ke le memory stick la esa-downloada kakhona ke kuyona ke ekaMnumzana uMncube memory stick.
Yeah, no, now, my lord, that's the problem that I have, because there's information that I want us to go through this memory stick. But because of the reservation that I've hinted about earlier on, I don't feel comfortable to have Advocate Sibande operating this, with what I saw in the photos there. I'm going to request for an adjournment so that we go arrange for somebody to come and deal with the memory stick here, because I'm avoiding to use the word fidgeted again.
Can I?
No, even yourself as well. I don't want you to touch it.
No, no, I don't want to touch it. Can I comment? I just want to make
Yes,
you.
let's hear. What do you want to say, sir?
There's a original data. There's a copy of original data. It won't be the same.
Kunedata ke okuyiyona uqobo noma ke original kube khona ke i-copy angeke kufane.
The original data is the one that is on PDF.
I-original data yile eku-PDF.
The one that I did on 2023, it's a copy of the original, which will differ in a date. It will give us the date when I transfer it to a memory stick.
Bese kuthi ke i-copy lena ke le engayenza ngo-2023 yona ke izohluka ke ngoba ke izohluka ke nange-date le i-date le engayenza ngakhona ngayo ngo-2023.
Even some of the pictures will not give the exact name. It will come up with another name that it creates when as I copy.
Futhi ke neyithombe
Automatically.
lezi ke angeke zibe naleli gama ke lizoba nelinye igama ke igama elizothi ke libe khona ke noma lidaleke ke kuyona icopy noma uma ngikopha.
So a copy, original data, that is from the memory card, downloaded, and is converted into a PDF format to show the metadata of every picture. Won't be exactly the same with the one that is a copy that was transferred into a memory card.
Bese kuthi ke I-data ke lena ke eku-memory card angeke yona ke kube eyodwa ke naleyo na ke eya be isindluliselwa ke noma I-transferwa.
That's the reality. It won't reflect the same metadata, but it will be the same picture.
Kuzoba yisona isithombe sona kodwa ke imininingwane lokho kubizwa ukuthi phecelezi ke I-metadata angeke kube kufanele noma kube yikona.
The reason behind that is I took it straight from the XRY format, copy it into a memory stick.
Ngoba ke izathu noma ke imbangela yalokho ke ukuthi ke ngayikhipha ke kule format ke bizwa ukuthi XRY ngabe sengindlulisela ku memory stick.
Yes.
Unconverted, as you transfer it into a memory stick, it will give you the date when you transfer. I can't remember very well with whatever, but if it can be here, I can tell you.
Kodwa ke uma ngabe usindlulisela ke manje uzokunikeza I-date leyana ke okuyiyona engayitransfera ngayo engasayikhumbuli kodwa ke uma ingalana make ngayikhumbula.
When I say original from the memory card or from the phone, remember the data that you said it's stored for future reference. It's logged. Whatever was downloaded 2015, even today, it will stand as it is. It won't change because it's logged. For you to change the information, you have to convert it into a PDF or copy it like I did.
Kodwa ke noma yini ke noma lokhu ekonake kwagcinwa ke kuyona I-system yethu noma kwenzeka ke ngo-2015 uma ungaya khona ke lapha ngoba ke kulokho noma kubhalelwe ke angeke kushintshe lutho ngaphandle kokuthi ke bese kuyashintshwa kudluliswa kuyona ke kuyishintshelwa ku-PDF noma ke kuyakhophiya noma njengoba mina ngenza.
You tell me when you're done, Warrant Officer Mabasa.
Yes, I will. That data that was requested to be copied,
Yes.
it's a copy
Yeah.
with a reference of a date different to the original one.
Lemini lokho kwacala ke bona kuyi-copy ke kwaye futhi ke ne-reference ke ehlukile ke kule unqo.
I'm done. Thanks, my lord.
Warrant Officer Mabasa, just to check up your memory, how many times did I ask you that are we agreeing that the information that was downloaded from the memory card that was in accused number 3's phone will be similar, it will be identical, even when it gets transferred into a USB and into a disk? How many times did you say, yeah, no, it should be that should be the case?
I may have maybe not hear you well,
Yeah.
but the reality is from the original to a memory stick, it won't reflect the same because by then you are modifying, you are copying from that picture to an action is happening. It will tell us when, why, it will give us a date when you do that.
Kusengenzeka ukuthi ke inkathi ke ukusho noma ukubuza ke lokho ukuthi imininingwane ukusuka kuyona ke memory stick ma isindlulisela kayishintshi ukuthi ke angibuzwanga kahle ke kodwa ke ukuqiniso ke ukuthi angeke ke kufaneke uma usukuthatha ke original usundlulisela noma ke ukukopia noma ke ukutransfera angeke kufane noma kube into eyodwa.
Yes.
I may have misunderstood you or understood the word memory card and memory stick. They sound the same. I couldn't hear it well. So what I'm saying now, from the memory card, it will remain the same. When you convert it using the XRY to view the pictures, as you take that picture into another storage, it will change the date. It won't be the same with the original. It will give the date of when you did that.
Kusengenzeka ukuthi ke amagama ke uwasebenzisa ke la engakuzwanga khona ke kahle kune memory card kune memory stick. Kodwa ke uma usumdlulisela ke lokho, uma nje unezela kusona ke isithombe leso, uma isindlulisela ngalena ke i-date izoshintsha.
My apologies. I didn't hear you well there. I may have answered otherwise. I didn't hear you well, my lord.
Ngiyaxolisa ke lapho kusengenzeka ukuthi angikuzwanga kahle, ngiyaxolisa kulokho.
Mr. Mabasa, my question is, how many times did we agree on that? Simple as that.
I
Was it
didn't count.
once, twice, or 3 times? Or
I
do
didn't
you want
count.
me to remind you?
If it will save the purpose, yes.
It's not my purpose, it's for the court's purpose.
We are referring
Let
to
me
court.
remind you, I've said it 4 times. You said, yeah, no, yes, we agree on that. The information must be the same. Information must be the same. Information must be the same.
That's why
Do you still remember that?
That's why I'm saying I may have misheard or confused the word memory card, memory stick.
Ingakho ngisho ke ukuthi ke kusengenzeka ukuthi kube yiphutha kumina ke ukuthi ke amagama la amabili ke memory card kube no memory stick.
And it happens, I'm human.
Kuyenzeka ke lokho ngiwumuntu.
Mr. Mabaso, for heaven's sake, you are an expert. That's how you were introduced. In fact, that's how you introduce yourself. You're an expert. How then on earth does an expert in your field confuse a memory card and a memory stick?
He doesn't say it confuses him. He say he may have misheard you or misunderstood you. I mean, what more must he say?
No, but that's what he says, Mother. He says he was confused. He confused the word memory card and a memory stick. It comes
Yes.
from the word confusing.
And according to him, there's a difference between a memory card and a memory stick.
Yes.
So if you confuse the one for the other, the results can't be the same. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, and I'm trying to explain.
Oh.
I didn't
Experts
hear.
don't make mistakes.
Come again?
Experts don't make mistakes.
I do understand, but I'm not an expert.
Okay.
I'm an analyst.
You're an analyst, okay.
Yes.
Yenza ke uma kuthiwa ungoti ke abawenza amaphutha kodwa ngiyena ungoti kodwa ngumcwaningi.
Exactly. How on earth would an analyst who has been working on this thing for more than 3/4 of their life can today come and say, I have confused a memory card and a memory stick? How does that happen?
It happens.
Does
I'm
it
human,
just happen now?
and an analyst is a person. If you hear and you don't hear well, it happened. I didn't hear you well, like I'm saying.
Kuyenzeka ke ngoba ke umcwaningi.
I'm not denying. I'm saying I did not hear it. I thought you are talking about the memory card, memory stick, memory card. That word, memory card, memory stick, confused me as to where are you referring to?
Ngiyakuzwa ke kodwa ke umcwaningi naye ke umuntu amaphutha uyawenza ke ingakho ngishilo ukuthi ke lamagama amabili ke memory card memory stick.
I confused the word. That's the honest truth. I confused the word.
Mr. Mabasa. Mr. Mabasa. I thought you had come here to assist the court.
Yes.
But I have no reservation in saying to you that we have come here as a hired gun. We have just come here as a hired gun. But unfortunately, when the gun arrives here, it starts to misfire, as you are just doing now. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm putting it to you, Mr. Mabasa, that you have come here. Or I had thought that you had come here to assist the court. However, from what is happening now, I have no reservation in putting the following to you. It can be interpreted.
No.
Okay, mina-ke bengithi-ke noma bengicabanga-ke ukuthi-ke uzela nanjengomuntu-ke noma ufakazi-ke ozolekelela-ke inkantolo, kodwa-ke lokho kwenzekayo-ke manje noma-ke engikuzwayo-ke kuwena-ke awuzile-ke ngalokho ukuthi uzolekelela-ke yona inkantolo.
You have come here as a hired gun. And unfortunately, you being such a hired gun, you start to misfire when you are supposed to do your work as a hired gun.
Kodwa-ke manje-ke lokho-ke okuyikona okuzeleke lana awukwenzi noma asikona-ke okwenzayo ukuthi-ke ulekeleleke inkantolo.
I
You have a
have
comment?
just misheard you from the word memory stick and memory card. But all in all, the pictures on the memory stick and the pictures on the memory card are the same. Will look the same. On the metadata, it will be the date and few things which I'm not aware of now, because I normally don't testify about those copied pictures unless requested.
Ngishilo ukuthi-ke kube yiphutha-ke kumina-ke ukuthi noma ke ngingakuzwanga kahle-ke uma ukhuluma ngayo i-memory card noma-ke i-memory stick, futhi-ke iy'thombe lezi-ke ezikuyona-ke i-memory card nezikwi-memory stick kuzoba yizona-ke kuzoshintsha nje imininingwane-ke ethize, ama-date, kanye futhi-ke nekuthize kuyona-ke i-memory, i-metadata noma imininingwane le ebhaliwe-ke ngaphansi. Ngokwenjwayelo-ke angivamisile-ke ukuthi-ke ngithule ubufakazi ngawo-ke amakhodi.
I misheard the word, like I'm repeating, memory stick, memory card.
Ngiyaphinda-ke lokho ukuthi-ke igama-ke noma amagama lana-ke angiwazwanga kahle.
So you misheard me when saying memory card, memory stick, memory card, memory stick. You misheard me there.
I heard you, but I thought we were referring to a memory card, not a stick.
Ngikuzwile-ke kodwa mina-ke bengicabanga ukuthi ukhuluma ngayo i-memory card awukhulumi nge-memory stick.
My answers
Yes.
were based on the memory card, data-based.
Yes.
I didn't take it to a memory stick,
Yes.
like you are saying.
Yes.
That's why I try to clarify that, I thought you are talking about the memory card metadata,
Yes.
not the memory stick metadata. So there, I didn't hear you well.
Ingakho-ke sengichaza-ke manje-ke ukuthi mina-ke uma ngabe bengikuphendula-ke bengikuphendulela-ke phezu kwayo-ke i-memory card metadata kungasiyona-ke i-memory stick metadata.
However, it won't change if you can give the memory stick and show what you wanted to show, we can proceed.
Kodwa-ke ngeke kushintsheke uma kuwukuthi ufuna ukunikeza-ke i-memory stick ubone-ke lokho ofisa ukuthi ukubone.
No, I won't give my memory stick to you. There be rest assured. Otherwise, you will still confuse it. I'll give you a memory stick. You'll come and say it's a memory card.
No, I won't do that.
You will.
It's okay.
Yeah. So let me save you the day. You must have been told by the state that subsequent to your testimony on Thursday the 12th, My Lord, I want to get into a new aspect. However, Ms. Jonas requested me that actually it should have been true to request an adjournment because there's something pressing that he needs to do at a family level, my Lord. So I'm going to request for an adjournment up until on Monday and then finalize my cross-examination on this witness, my Lord. Thank you, my Lord.
Yes, Ms. Doctor?
My lord, the witness is available on Monday. We can proceed on Monday.
Are you available, sir?
Yes, I am available, madam.
Okay, matter then is postponed to Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
So kubeka-ke ngomsombuluko ngo-10 ekuseni.
My Lord, I beg leave for Mr. Numalo to stand in for me next week.
Hello?
I beg leave for Mr. Numalo, my Lord, to stand in for me next week.
What's going to happen next week?
Next week I'll begin another court, my Lord.
I thought you said you're available for the next 2 weeks.
Yes, my Lord, I said we've agreed that we'll proceed. Mr. Numalo will stand in for me. Then when it's my turn for cross-examination, I'll come back because I'm next door.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks.
It's a